A clogged drain does not always have an easy, straightforward solution. Knowing where the blockage is saves time and money. That's when a sewer camera comes in handy. Plumbing camera inspection helps locate exactly where the clog is and reduces the time needed to fix it. Knowing the exact location means we can get to the problem without too much trouble. Without a plumbing camera, the plumber runs a long drain snake down the pipe to see if he can find it. Needless to say, getting the job done quickly is always appreciated. For more information, reach out to Shamrock's Plumbing and Heating. Visit us online or call for free consultation.